Hello friends, welcome back to Custom Visuals in Power BI. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a pie chart where you can show top N, and then along with that, you can show others. Also, you can actually drill down the breakup of others within the pie chart. For that, let me explain how to get the chart. So you need to go to the more options, that is get more visuals below the visualizations, and then get more visuals. And in the dialog, let us search for pie categories. So in pie categories, you need to search for one chart, advanced donut visual light edition. Just you can add it. I've already added it. So now I'm just adding that chart into my canvas. So click on the drill down donut chart. Let me expand it. Now, if you look at the visual fields or field wells, there are two. One is category, another is values. You can add three categories. So I'm going to create a hierarchy for the region. So let me select region. So there I am adding city, that is the first level, then country is the first level, then territory is the second level, and finally city is the last level. And then I want to look at the one of the measures, that is total sales, into the values. Now you can see the visual is showing the information of the data by country. Now I would like to see India. You can see now India is shown by the territories like north, south, east, others, and west. And if I wanted to see the breakup of north, if I click on that, you can see the cities are locations of north, but some area is actually the smaller portion which is converted into others. Now I would like to see what is this others. If I click on that, Chandigarh and Jaipur are very small part of the entire data. That is why they have been clubbed into others. So now you can see this is 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 9.6 something, and 90.4, which will be 100%. If I go back to the previous view, you can just go to previous and select on that white portion. So you'll come back to the north breakup along with others. And if you want to go back, then you need to click inside. Now you will go back to the country-wise, India territories. And if I click on this inner portion again, I'll come back to the main view, which is by country. Hope you like this video. If you have any comments or feedback, please mention them in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed, to get notified, please do subscribe. And please keep watching, please keep sharing, please keep liking. Thanks for watching.